just a mistake, that the words were said in vain. But what do I feel now? I'll say you love me, but turn around and walk away without looking back. All the pain that time didn't heal was the price I paid to leave you behind. Like a fool begs for shelter, I look for my place in you, the strength I need to start over. I don't see you anymore, not even in the mirror. There's only memory. Life went on, but the emptiness remained, taking what was left of our story. Maybe it's not